Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about testing, especially manual testing, how to write a bug report. So before we move further, just we'll have a quick look at what is manual testing. In software methodology, while developing a software product, there will be like some complaints, like some issues which will be coming up, some bugs which will be coming up due to some mistake on the part of the developer. Even though the developer pays extreme good attention to the requirements, there will be some requirements which he might have missed, or one requirement might have got messed up with another requirement, resulting in a software bug or issue. So in those cases, the duty of the software tester is to find out those bugs, and then report it to the test manager, who will report it back to the development team. So this is how the software methodology goes. So for a manual tester has to write down the test cases based on the business requirement. The business requirement document will be presented, and based on that the software tester has to write down the test cases. So these test cases will be like in the following form as shown in the screen. There will be a test case number, there will be a test case, and then there will be a column for expected behavior, there will be an actual behavior, and the status of the execution. If it is fail, means what is the bug tracking number, and then status of the bug. So test case number will not be as simple as this in most cases. The test case number will be a big number if it is a big project. So the test case number will be like 3 or 4 digits in order to be unique, and in order to identify the module in which the bug is resulting, or the test case is being executed. It will be some prefixes along with some numbers will be given for the test case numbers, and the test case will be like verify whether this purpose is getting solved, verify whether upon logging into the system the user is able to see the account details. So this is how the test case will be. The test case has to be simple, and it has to be easily readable by the developer. And next it will be the expected behavior. So the expected behavior for this test case should be like account details should be seen by the user. There should be a username, first name, last name, date of birth. Whatever requirement is being given in the business requirement, that should be covered in this expected behavior. And the actual behavior will be the one which we report after seeing how the system behaves. The account details are successfully displayed in the page. So this is the actual behavior. If it is not successfully displayed, we will write like the account details are not successfully displayed in the page. The username column is missing. The first name column is missing. The last name column is misspelled. So last name column, instead of last name, it is LATS name. So these kind of issues we will be reporting in the actual behavior, and then we will tell if it is fail, we will say that this is a failed test case. So next what we will do is we will write a bug report. For this failed test case, we will write a bug report. Here this is the bug report. So the bug report will have the bug tracking number and the associated test case number, the issue, what issue is being reported, the status, developer response, QA response, and also the priority, and what priority this issue has to be solved by the developer. So if the severity and priority, these two columns also will be there in the bug report. So all these are like very important. So if it is only like user interface, something is misspelled, then it could be fixed by the developer at last. So the severity will be less. The impact of the severity could be called as the impact factor of impact of where it how much it is going to affect the whole system. So for example, if someone is going to withdraw money from the ATM, 5,000 rupees like that, but the amount is not getting reflected, after getting the amount is not getting reflected in the display, means then in the account, means the 5,000 rupees is still showing in the account, means then it is a mistake. That is a big severity is high. It is very critical. So it has to be solved by the developer as soon as possible. So this is how the severity and the priority works. So status of the execution is, if it is pass means then it is pass, there is no bug tracking number, nil, and status of the bug is not applicable. So this is I have used an Excel sheet in order to illustrate how the software works. There will be different softwares which will work based on the same way. Only thing is the software user interface will vary, and the some other columns or some other additional features will be provided, like in most cases there will be a like we can attach the screenshots of the what bug we are reporting. We can attach the screenshots, and then we will highlight the place where the mistake is taken place. So we will highlight the place, and then we will ask the developer to fix, and the developer will see the report, and then he will fix that one. So in the second case, verify the user is able to do, second test case number is there. So verify user is able to do a successful transaction. User should be able to do a successful transaction, and the transaction successful message should be displayed. The payment is getting deducted, but the successful message is not getting displayed. So this is a failed test case. For example, this is, so bug tracking number is there. So here there is a bug report, and the 1321 the bug number, associated test case number, and status. Status will be like how different like whether it has been open means that developer has not seen that bug. If it is accepted means the developer has seen the bug and he has checked from his end, and he is able to verify that there is a bug, and he has accepted it. So this is the way in which, and then the developer response. Developer will put like working on the issue, will resolve soon, status changed from open to accepted. So this is how the software works. And there are some open source softwares which are there. So if anyone is interested in career in manual testing, and how the software issues are reported and how they work, they can have a quick look at this video as well as like those softwares, and then try to do testing from their end. And one of the qualities which is more advised, and which is more reiterated upon is like to have some good English communicating skills, so that it will be easy to work in high-end environments where their expectations will be high. Thanks a lot for watching this video.